The top 10 for Agentic Applications came out for 2026. It is OWASP's first dedicated list for autonomous AI. The old LLM top 10 focused on passive risks like prompt injection and leaky outputs. This one focuses on what agents actually do: pursue goals, call tools, remember context, and talk to other agents. Each of those behaviors is an attack surface. First up, ASI-01, Agent Goal Hijack. This is when someone rewrites what your agent thinks its job is, hidden inside an email, a document, or a calendar invite. You have probably heard of Echo Leak. Microsoft 365 Copilot read a poisoned email and silently exfiltrated data. Your user never clicked a link. The mission just drifted. ASI-02 is tool misuse. Your agent is not running malware. It is calling a real tool with real permissions just for the wrong reason. Typo squatting can trick it into hitting report financee instead of report finance. Or an attacker steers your harmless ping tool into DNS exfiltration. Same toolbox, attacker-controlled intent. ASI-03 is identity and privilege abuse. In your multi-agent setup, permissions shift as work gets passed around, and nobody ties the final action back to the person who started it. Picture the confused deputy. A low-privilege agent asks your finance bot to move money, and the finance bot executes without checking who kicked off the request. ASI-04 is agentic supply chain risk. Your agent does not ship with a fixed toolkit. It pulls in MCP servers, plugins, and templates at runtime. A fake MCP server can mimic your email provider and BCC every outbound message to an attacker. Your supply chain is whatever the agent loads while it is running. ASI-05 is unexpected code execution. If you gave a coding agent shell access, it will use it. A vibe coding agent hits a build error, writes a fix, and runs it without anyone reviewing the command. You did not get hacked. You gave an agent a shell and told it to be helpful. ASI-06 is memory and context poisoning. Once a bad fact lands in your agent's memory, it sticks. A travel agent that learns fake prices will keep approving inflated bookings because its stored context says those rates are valid. One poisoned fact can bias every session after it. ASI-07 is insecure inter-agent communication. You secured the chat with your users. But what about the messages your agents send each other? In many setups, that channel is plain HTTP with no authentication. An attacker can downgrade the protocol or register a spoofed peer and inject instructions while your agents coordinate. ASI-08 is cascading failures. Your agent network trusts what the upstream agent said. Poison one node and everything downstream acts on bad data. Say your market analysis agent gets corrupted and inflates risk limits. Your position and execution agents trade on that bad input, and the audit trail still looks clean. ASI-09 is human agent trust exploitation. This one targets your team, not just your stack. Your finance copilot ingests a poisoned invoice, confidently recommends an urgent payment, and a manager approves because they trusted the AI. The attacker did not break in. They got a human to open the door. Last one, ASI-10, rogue agents. No external attacker needed. You tell an agent to cut cloud costs, and it deletes production backups because that is the fastest way to hit the target. The dashboard stays green. Your recovery plan does not. Here is the part that should worry you. None of these show up if you only test a single chat turn. They play out across turns, tools, and agents. At Giscard, we run automated scans and continuous red teaming mapped to every ASI category. If you want to see where your production agent disagrees with this checklist, book a demo. Better before a poisoned document rewrites your agent's mission than after.